These are American sycamores we're raising inside a Highland Hill Farm's fenced-in area. However, even though it's fenced in, we still have deer damage. Even though there's an 8-foot fence all the way around the property, the deer do get in. They can jump an 8-foot fence. In places where the fence is not adequate, in other words, where there's a stream or a wet area where there's a little dip in the ground, they'll go under the fence. But they want to rub our trees, and they'll rub your trees too. We can't put deer guards on all our trees because we have so many of them. But that's why we have the fence. But it does help an awful lot. We would have about 50 times the damage that this tree has suffered if we didn't have an 8-foot deer fence. And we also grow a lot of other trees and shrubs like the arborvitaes, which the deer will also eat as well or rub.
This is an American sycamore at Highland Hill Farm. It's been in the ground for 3 years, about 2.5 inches in caliber is that first one. The rest of them are a tiny bit smaller, but we do have the native American sycamore.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm, a grower of large trees and shrubs in Fountainville, PA.